what can be done to try and maintain elasticity in aging skin?
Yeah, collagen. Yeah. Well, we all need that as we age. So maritime pine bark, again, it's about getting that connective tissue to respond really well. So maritime pine bark is probably one of the key anti-aging herbs. And of course, your oils. There's nothing better than evening primrose oil, your flaxseed oil, and even hemp oils to bring that oil component back into your skin. Partnering that with something like maritime pine bark, I don't think you can do better than those two things, depending on what else is going on. Now, a key thing here, and I think we often forget about this as we're aging, is liver health. Because if we don't have our body eliminating really, really well, then it doesn't matter how much we're taking in terms of aging, etc. If we're abusing our bodies, if we're not getting enough oxygen, if we're not, keeping healthy and eliminating well, it's just not going to bode well long term. So plenty of rosehip tea. I drink rosehip tea every single day. I'm on liver herbs every single day, and I'm also on maritime pine bark every single day. And I find that for those things, personally, I find that works really well. And I know that there's a lot of customers who agree to that as well.